Well, hi everyone. Thank you for checking out the online video portion of the Gaelic College lessons. I'm going to be doing the piano portion and looking at Cape Breton style piano accompaniment to Cape Breton fiddle tunes and pipe tunes. I'm just one of many piano instructors that have taught at the Gaelic College over the years, and Cape Breton piano style is not a competitive style, so you're going to find everyone really has their own little spin on it, their own little take. So these lessons are going to be my approach, my method that I find works for me, and I have it divided up into little units that I think will give you some prerequisite skills to practice some drills that will get you ready for playing by ear and playing live in the moment. The first 10 videos in level 1, I focus on learning the names of the keys. We talk about major scales. We do a blank chord chart and drone in the key that the tunes are in. And then look at playing root chords, the 1-4-5 method. We do a C jig and a C reel, and these are traditional tunes. And we also do an introduction to some jig and reel rhythms, and I pair that with some dancing because I believe the step dancing tradition and the piano rhythms, they blend together, they overlap. So I just thought it'd be a nice way to highlight those. In the second set of tunes I talk about, or second set of lessons, level 2, we move into some minor keys. C major we covered in the first segment. We do some A minor stress bay and a reel, dancing stress bays and reels, and these are tunes that are portuguese, like you can sing them in Gaelic, or they're pipe tunes as well, so they're common step dance tunes, so it's a nice introduction to more rhythms as well in with the stress bay and the reel. In the third segment we look at chording in some other keys, and we also start out with slow air, Hector the Hero, and how to chord to that, some variations. We do a march that is a combination of major, minor, mixolydian type tunes, which a lot of pipe marches have that spin in them, a little, major chords and some seventh chords. We go into a D jig, a really popular jig, Jerry's Beaver Hat, and we do the chord structure for that, but then I also talk a little bit about playing piano solos and chording to yourself in the left hand with the melody. And the final tune we look at tunes that the A part and the B part are in a different key setting, so relative majors, relative minor keys, things you can expect when you're chording and what key changes are likely to occur. And at the end we just talk a little bit about some piano etiquette, and just some little tips and tricks. Again, this is just my take on it, and I just hope you enjoy the lessons and learn a little bit more about Cape Breton piano style, and thank you for taking part.